Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's episode, I'm bringing to your attention another crypto exchange, bit.com. I'll take a deep dive into the specifics. I know there are plenty of exchanges these days, all competing for their place in the cryptoverse. So let's find out what makes this one stand out and why it's worth trading on bit.com and why I'm placing this one on your crypto radar. So let's get started. This is today's featured review. Bit.com is a full-suite cryptocurrency exchange. It was started as a spin-off of the company Matrixport, which was established as a crypto bank in 2019, and it was valued at $1 billion in 2021. It's one of the fastest growing crypto platforms that offer crypto options trading, which is something you do not find on many exchanges. In terms of trading volume, Bit.com is in the top 3 largest exchanges in the crypto options market. They've built a reliable and secure platform with very low fees and no downtimes or overloads. They offer spot, futures and options markets for digital assets. Top liquidity is provided globally by Tier 1 market makers, and they offer up to 50x leverage with futures, 10x leverage on options markets. They also have top-notch security, which is safeguarded by their cutting-edge custodian infrastructure of Cactus Custody, a service that provides a robust vault-grade security for safeguarding digital assets. And there's a user protection as well. Their chairman is Jihan Wu, who co-founded Bitmain and Matrixport. Bitmain was the biggest Bitcoin mining chips producer for many years, and Jihan left Bitmain to launch Matrixport, a service I use. It delivers an extensive suite of easy-to-use and innovative financial services and crypto investment products, and empowers its users to take control of their personal finances at their very best. I have already talked about Matrixport on this channel. Last year I placed this service on your radar as I started using it for earning interest on my long-term crypto holdings. I currently have Ether, Bitcoin, Matic and the stablecoin USDC in my wallet, where I'm earning daily interest on these. If you've been following me for a while, you know Matrixport, and you can find my videos about this on my channel. So when I found out that Bit.com is another branch of their ecosystem, that gave me a lot of confidence to take this more seriously. Users can use Matrixport login to log into Bit.com, and also you can transfer your assets between Matrixport and Bit.com, or even between other users of Bit.com with no fees. So that's yet another reason to use it. Also, besides Jihan, other notable backers of this platform are venture capital firms like Standard Crypto, IDG Capital and Lightspeed Venture Partners. Bit.com offers primarily crypto derivatives like options and futures. However, it has spot crypto trading as well, but derivatives are its major offerings. A derivative is essentially an instrument that's priced based on the value of another asset like bonds, stocks, and commodities. The platform also has a direct coin swap for when you need a quick exchange between tokens, and of course, the spot exchange is where you get to set up your own buy or sell price targets. There are plenty of trading pairs to choose from, the 3 base ones being USD Tether, USD and Bitcoin. And supported tokens include Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Aave, Cardano, ApeCoin, Avalanche, Dogecoin, BNB, Engine, Compound and many more. All top cryptos and then some. Then we have the futures market, where you need a margin for initiating the position. However, the difference is that here, future contracts have specified price and date. Bit.com offers both futures and perpetual futures, where you can keep your position open for as long as you like. This works great during a strong rally. You can choose how long you stay in the trade, a feature that I like a lot. So let's go to the options market. An option contract grants the holder an opportunity to buy an asset at a particular price in the future with no obligation to make a purchase. With options, you only need to put up a section of the trade's value, margin, to create a position, meaning a trader is allowed to trade even with limited capital. For now, traders can trade options like BTC, Ether and Bitcoin Cash on Bit.com. Crypto options are still growing in demand, so I'd expect them to draw more trading volume and more options at some point. And it's worth mentioning that bit.com is the second largest in the Bitcoin and Ether options market when it comes to trading volume. Well, this is an impressive performance indeed. You can also access this on the mobile application. They have a mobile application for iOS and Android. You can buy and sell on the go. I prefer using the website, but if you're more comfortable with using your mobile, I know many of you are, then you can do that, of course. You will find this on the dashboard here and also at the bottom, just next to assets. This is also where you see the spot trading and the futures too. All of that on the mobile app. They also offer a unified margin feature, which is located on the lower right of spot and the futures page, which is not offered on many exchanges. This is an upgraded trading and risk management system specific to this exchange. It allows you to utilize all assets in your account as collateral to trade all products. I've not seen this anywhere else, to be honest. Basically what this does is when you trade through the unified margin account, you can trade spot, margin, perpetual, futures and options, all in the same account without transferring funds back and forth between multiple accounts. All assets will be calculated in the dollar value with certain haircut ratios to provide margin for all your positions. Also, the overall risk of your account is calculated based on the dollar value of the margin. Compared to the classic mode, the unified margin mode will improve your capital utilization to a certain extent. Another great feature that I like a lot. With leverage trading, the good thing is that it requires only a small portion of your capital in order to create a position. Futures and options contracts operate with leverage by default. But also, here even spot traders can access leverage trading under the unified margin mode. On future contracts, the leverage is 50 times, 50x, while options traders enjoy a 10x leverage. However, it should be clear that leverage trading can be risky given that potential losses are not too far away behind. For instance, a drop in the price of an asset will be taken from a trader's margin, which could lead to a liquidation of a great size. In fact, you can even lose more than the investment. On the positive side, when making the right call, you can also win a huge amount, so this is surely a feature for the more experienced traders. I know I say this every time, but I have to make this clear. This is a high risk, high reward type of thing, so you have to have some experience. And there's also the rewards center. There are bonuses for first-time deposits. The minimum you can get is $5 for a small deposit of $100 worth of crypto. But if you are depositing more, you get bigger bonuses. They go up to $150. These bonuses can be used to offset the trading fees incurred on the spot, futures and options trading. These are all significant features in crypto trading, and the exchange prides itself on offering institutional level security and performance. There are partners with Cactus Custody, a licensed and institutional level custody service supporting UKey and withdrawal address whitelist to safeguard users' funds. The exchange applies an incremental liquidation mechanism to provide additional user protection during extreme market conditions, extreme volatility. This is a robust risk management system, and at their launch, the Bit.com insurance fund had over 200 Bitcoin, one of the largest amounts among new exchanges. They currently have an ongoing campaign for new users where you can earn up to 80% APY on many crypto assets with zero risks. This is the announcement as you can see here on the screen. It's called Bit.com Earn, and it is for new users, and it's available exclusively on their mobile app and supports over 20 digital assets including USD Tether, USDC, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Ethereum, Chainlink, Litecoin, Sushi, Uni and many more. This is an offer for a limited time only. It's valid for 8 days and it kicks in when you complete at least one unified margin futures trade for the first time, either on the website or on the mobile app. So make sure that you take advantage of this 80% annual return, which will be accumulated for 8 days. It's not a full year plan, so again, this is a short-term fixed return offer. Of course, 80% is extremely high return, so it makes sense that they don't offer this for a full year. This would be unsustainable if it was for a whole year, but 8 days is doable. Bit.com is in fact a spin-off from Matrix Sport, as I already mentioned, which is tailored specifically for crypto lending and yield farming. I have already talked about Matrix Sport on this channel. If you remember, last year I actually placed this on your crypto radar as I started using it. It's a stellar service and it has over $10 billion in total assets under custody and management, and I'm using it to earn interest on my Bitcoin, Ethereum and stablecoins that I'm currently holding in my account. And users who are new to this will enjoy a 30% annual return on one of these assets. So any long-term holdings, especially while we're waiting for the markets to recover, could be put to work in here and you earn passive income, like a savings account that pays you interest. It works the same way. That's why I use it. There's even more limited time offers like this one here for the NEAR community. So token holders of NEAR can earn up to 46% APY and they can share a $55,000 prize pool. And also another limited time offer is this one here for TON token holders. You can earn 200% APY. This is a one-time only offer, so you have to subscribe now before the quota runs out. So indeed, plenty of reasons to download their mobile app and to gain access to all of these perks. In fact, there's even more benefits to using the mobile app. There is a daily check-in reward. I just got 50 satoshis for just logging in. You get this every day, up to a maximum of 10,000 satoshi. This is just for opening the app, logging in every day, something that takes just seconds. And I also enabled notifications, so I'll get a daily reminder for logging in. This also gave me 100 satoshi reward. As you can see, I now have 150 satoshi in my account. All of this just from logging in. Then there's a daily trade bonus, and if you share your trade position with your followers, you get another bonus. So not only does the platform offer all the necessary tools for trading, with the most important being the technical analysis tools, of course, and advanced trade controls and tier 2 market data, but you can also trade on mobile with their app. It's available for both Android and iOS. Well, I personally don't really like to trade on mobile. I do it, but very rarely if I'm on the go. That happens sometimes, but I like to do my TA on a computer screen where I can see all the indicators properly and analyze patterns and all of that. But I know many people who do trade on their mobile phones, so you can do all of this here. The mobile apps have all the crucial features that every trader would need for trading, just on a smaller screen. But if you don't mind that, it is very handy. So if you're attending some important events or you're just out and about and the market is going crazy and you don't want to miss out on some good trades, then you can use the mobile app. That happens to me a lot. Bit.com's real-time data also has been recorded by many cryptocurrency information websites such as CoinGecko, CryptoSlate, CoinMarketCap and others as well. And among their partners, I spot familiar names such as asset manager Caspian Paradigm, the largest institutional liquidity network, e-commerce processor Circle, CoinGlass, TokenSite, The Block and Kobo Custody. Many of these I have already featured on this channel previously, all well-established crypto-centric service providers. So with all of this said, you can see why I'm excited about Bit.com. As a Matrix Sport user, I can log into Bit.com with my Matrix Sport account. I don't have to register with a different account, and I can even move my assets between the two platforms easily with no fee. Something that I find very useful, very user-friendly and convenient. As always, I dropped all the relevant links in the description below, so make sure that you go check it out. Some of my links are affiliate links, they are referral links, so you can show your support by using this. And of course, join their social media channels, Telegram and Twitter. I dropped all of this. Make sure that you keep up to date. This is where you will be getting alerts about new promotions and special offers, and just keep in touch with everything that's going on. Also, don't forget to follow my blog at crypto-corner.com, where I share all kinds of updates, news and reviews of other great services that are essential for any crypto user. So thanks for staying until the end of this video. I hope it's helpful, and while you're here, pick another one of my videos.